What's up, everybody? Spot Fillmore here, living the dream. Had to come down and give some blood work today. Had the kidney transplant. That was one of the things that reason why we haven't been doing no content on my channel. But anyways, came out here. I just had to see the car. Looking so crispy, right? This might not be the best footage I'm using my phone, so it's gonna suck balls. Construction in the background is making it shitty, but damn, look at the loot. It's that static life, baby. Static life. I don't know if I got enough shots of the loot right now. My hood needs some work game. Don't worry about that, though. That's coming soon. It's coming soon. That's some of that content you guys are going to be getting soon. Look at Rams, though, in that. Slam to the ground. It's drag around everywhere. I don't even give a shit. Savage. The fitment. So like I was saying, Spot Fillmore here, filming on my phone. Probably not the best footage. Anyways, like I was saying, I did a kidney transplant. I don't know if you guys can see the pins. Donated a kidney to my wife. That's why we haven't got no content. I'm just starting to fill up to par. Okay, let me just give you guys a little. Oh, look at that. Ugh, looks like all jacked up. So, it's done when you donate a kidney. But we are going to have more content. It's coming soon. We still have the H22 right here that we're going to turbofy. And I got the B18 over here that we're going to be rebuilding as well. I don't even got a car for a B18, but we're going to rebuild one just to have one. And that's for my loot. I'm going to build a turbo motor for it. Like I said, this footage probably sucks. It's on my phone. Sorry about all that, guys. I just wanted to get some content out for you guys. I wanted to make sure that I had something for you, give you a little bit of an update. I'm going to have to give you guys an update tomorrow on the Lude. Took it out. It hasn't been freaking a long-ass time. I freaking clipped a pothole. Thank goodness, San Bernardino. Good looking out. It's awesome. But I got an exhaust leak now. I think it broke bolts on the manifold right there. So I'm going to be working on that probably tomorrow. So stay tuned for that one. Spot Fillmore, living the dream. Want to give it a shout out to Eliminate Crew, Randy, all those guys. Without them, I wouldn't even be doing this. So thanks, guys. Okay, a little bit of a video update. I just wanted to take a look. Look at bolt missing. I think that back one might still be in, but look at the gasket. Can you guys see that? See the gasket? It like blew the gasket out. So, looks like the bolt came loose. Blew the gasket out. That's the exhaust leak I was hearing earlier. So, what ifs? That's just from living that low life, man. You know what I mean? Things that we come across. So, that should be the project for tomorrow.